Hello everyone, today I Vanshika here to represent you something, that is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. So basically you must be knowing what an AP actually is. An AP is a sequence of terms. That is, if we subtract any of the two consecutive terms, we will get the difference as the same. Like if we subtract this term from this one, we will get D. Similarly, if we subtract this term from this term, we will also get D. We can find the sum of any of the terms only if they are in an AP, or we can say as arithmetic progression. So let's continue with our activity. We know that the first term, which is A, I have taken it as a single column. The next term, it would be A plus D. We call it as second term. Then the third one, that is A plus 2D. And the fourth one, A plus 3D. And the fifth one, that is A plus 4D. So what you have to do is, I have taken them separately. You have to make a single pyramid of that. So here I am having the pyramid which I have cut out from those. I have pasted those sheets on a paper and then cut all of that sheet out. I have colored them so it would be easy for you to understand. Now you have to make a replica of this shape like this. You can make, and you need not do anything, just turn it over and place it like this. You are obtained with a shape which is a rectangle. It has different length and different breadths, and both of them are same. We can see that. Now this column we am showing you, this is A. So now we can say that the length of this rectangle is A plus D plus D plus D plus D plus A. So we are having the formula that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. That is length, it would be 2A plus 4D, and the breadth we are actually having, that is 5 units. I'm showing you on a notebook that it would be easy for you to understand. Okay, now let's continue. Now I have written the dimensions of this rectangle. That is, we are having the length as 2A plus 4D and the breadth as 5 units. We know that the area of a rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. Just put those values, 2A plus 4D into 5. For finding the sum, just divide this area of rectangle by 2. We will get the sum of n terms of this AP. Area we were having 2A plus 4D into this 5 and by 2 is n. We can also write it as 2A plus 4D into 5 into 1 upon 2. This 4D can also be written as 5 minus 1 into D, putting those brackets, into 1 by 2 is equals to Sn. So in this way you can find the sum of the nth terms of an AP. Thank you very much.